when building a real-world application, you will definitely find yourself in a situation where you have to render GSS based on certain condition. Yeah, so we have 4 different approaches to solve this problem. And it includes the if-else statement, the element variable, ternary conditional operator, and the short circuit operator. But in this lecture, we are going to go with the most reliable and the approach that is widely used, which includes ternary conditional operator and the short circuit operator. Let's practicalize it quickly. Open up the Explorer. Right within the component, we are going to create a new component called userlogin.js. Generate the functional component. So right within the div, we are going to have a h1 tag, and I'm going to do welcome to Edubaba's project. And also we are going to have another h2 tag, and this will be you cannot access this project. So the idea is this: if the condition is true, we are going to display the h1 tag, and else if the condition is false, we are going to display the h2 tag. Let's quickly render this component in the app.js. Highlight and place a comment on it. Scroll up, and right here we are going to import user login from component/user login, and right here we just have to render it over here. Close it up with the soft closing tag and move back here. Let's quickly declare a variable over here, and then I'm going to do is logged in, set it to true. So let's proceed with the implementation. So first, we have to wrap this up in a curly bracket. Command X to cut. Open up the curly braces. Come here and paste it. So right now, I'm going to do, if is logged in is true, we are going to display the h1 tag. And else, we are going to display the h2 tag. On the browser, welcome to Edubaba's project. So if we change this to false, save, check it out, you cannot access this project. So everything is working perfectly fine as expected. All right. So this is used to denote when the condition is true, and this is used to denote when the condition is false. Let me zoom up a little bit. Can you see? So this is used to denote when the condition is true. This is used to denote when the condition is false. It's as simple as that. So the next in line is the short circuit approach. So the short circuit approach is used when you want to render either something or nothing. Let's practicalize it quickly. So first, we have to place a comment on this. Highlight, hold down the command key, tap the /. To make use of the short circuit approach, so let's assume you want to display hello, I am logged in when the condition is true. And if the condition is false, we do not want to display anything. Okay, so I'm going to take in the curly bracket. So here I'm going to do is logged in, ampersand, then we are going to have a h1 tag, and right within this tag I'm going to do hello, I am logged in. On the browser, nothing happens. You know why? It is simply because the condition is false. So when you change it to true, save. On the browser, hello, I am logged in. So the short circuit approach is used to render either something or nothing. So let me quickly explain to you how it works. So the short circuit approach will first evaluate the left-hand side to check if the condition is true. And based on the true C, the right hand side will be evaluated. So if it's logged in as false, the right hand side will never be evaluated. React will ignore the right hand side simply because we do not want anything to be displayed on the screen if the condition is false. So there won't be any need to evaluate the right hand side.